Hi there, it's Hillary, and I am here to wish you a Merry Creative Faith Christmas. In this video, I'm going to go over kind of an overview of all of our awesome Christmas items in the shop. They're also available on Amazon, and I cannot wait to share with you guys what we have in store for Christmas 2020. So to start off, I am super excited to relaunch the ABCs of Christmas. This is a book that I wrote and launched in 2018, and this year I'm excited to offer it in another color scheme too. So this is what they look like, and so this is the original one. It's the teal pink version. And it has 26 days, because there's 26 letters in the alphabet, and they're meant to go through from December 1st through December 26th. And I do have a flip through video on YouTube of what the inside of these look like, as well as a flip through of my full 2018 journal. If you guys want to check that out, I'll link that in the description box below. And so this year I thought it'd be fun to do another color scheme in more classic Christmas colors, red and green. So I also made the hand lettering a little bit less feminine, and so maybe if you guys have boys around your house, little kids, that they might be more attracted to this cover versus this one. So I'm excited about these. You can pick these up as just the book on Amazon, and they have free Amazon Prime shipping. But this year in my Etsy shop, I thought it'd be really fun to do something different that I haven't done before and make a kit. So you can pick up the ABCs of Christmas kit in my Etsy shop. So if you just want the books, you can find them on Amazon. But if you want a whole kit to use, you can find these in my Etsy shop. I do have a separate unboxing video here on YouTube that I'll put in the description box below. And so it shows what's in all of these, but you get a highlighter and a cute reindeer pen, and you get washi tape and a little cut apart, as well as a vinyl sticker. So you can get the classic Christmas colors ABC kit or the teal pink Christmas colors ABC kit. So again, these are both available in my Etsy shop. And that leads me to my next one. Vinyl stickers. How cute are these? So these do come in the ABC kit. Depending on what color scheme, you get one or the other. So this is the teal pink sticker, and this is the red and green one, and it says Jesus fills my cup, because that is my hope and joy and prayer for all of the things I'm sharing today in this video, is that you would buy them and get them, and that Jesus would use them to fill you up with him this holiday season as we reflect on his birth and what it means to us. So I also got some extra ones for my Etsy shop, so you can pick these up individually. So you will either get one in the kit, or you can also pick them up individually as well. And it's really great. The backing of them is split like that, so it makes it easy to put them on whatever you want to put them on. You can put them on a journal cover, a travel mug, maybe you have a holiday travel mug that you want to put these on. They're waterproof and vinyl and super, super cute. They also match my Christmas mugs printable that I have in my Etsy shop that I'll link in the description box below. And I do have a whole blog post called Christmas Products and Printables Roundup, and I'll link that in the description box below, and it shows everything we have kind of all laid out in an orderly form so you guys can see. Alright, something new this Christmas that I am really excited about are Christmas prayer journals. So again, you have the two different color schemes. You have this one is the teal and pink, and then you have this one that is the red and green. And I do have a flip through of these on my YouTube channel, so if you want to see everything that's inside, I'll link that video in the description box below. But basically inside it has 25 days of things to pray for, and so these are a little bit different than my other prayer journals because it comes with a little bit of devotion content. So you have the prayer topic hand lettered by me, and then you have a few sentences of devotion content and 3 Bible verses that you guys can use to look up and write out a prayer. And so these are available individually on Amazon. If you want just the prayer journal, you can get it on Amazon. And I also created a digital version of these. I know that some of my friends who live overseas, I am not shipping outside of the US and Puerto Rico right now, just with COVID and shipping issues that I've heard of. I would hate to happen to you guys. So I thought it'd be a great idea to offer the prayer journal digitally. So if you live in another country and you want to join us for Christmas prayer journaling anyways, be sure to check out the digital option in my Etsy shop, and I'll link that in the description box below. But how I'm selling these in my Etsy shop is in a bundle with a dot grid notebook. So these are my 2 Christmas dot grid notebooks, but they are like subtle Christmas. Like this one you could use for other than Christmas time for sure. And then this one's the red and green. So again, you have the 2 different color schemes. And so in my Etsy shop, you'll get these 2 bundled together if you order the classic Christmas colors of red and green, or you'll get these 2 bundled together if you pick the teal pink option. And so they'll come wrapped like this in a bundle together. So you'll have the Christmas prayer journal and then the dot grid notebook. And so I'm excited to offer those in my Etsy shop as a bundle, so it'll be a little bit discounted from if you ordered them on Amazon. Alright, and next we have an oldie but a goodie. This is the very first kit, one of the very first kits I launched in my Etsy shop, and it's called Lessons from the Manger, and I'm really excited to bring it back this year. And so you guys can get the whole kit in my Etsy shop. I have an unboxing of this that I'll link in the description box below if you're watching here on YouTube, that you can see everything that comes in this kit. But it has old sheet music and a paper clip tab and a glue stick and a pen and washi tape and some sticky notes and things like that. So kind of everything you need. And this has 12 devotions in it, all centered around Jesus's birth. And the devotion content from this is different from the ABCs of Christmas. So you could get both of them and do both of them together, or you could pick one or the other depending on what you're in the mood for and kind of what God puts on your heart to do this Christmas. So again, this is Lessons from the Manger. This is mine from 2016. So I do have a flip through here on YouTube of my full 2016 and my full 2017 Lessons from the Manger devotion books, and I'll link those videos in the description box below so you guys can check them out and see kind of some different ideas and inspiration. I also wanted to mention I do have a Facebook group for the ABCs of Christmas, so I'll link that in the description box below, and you guys can join and see just lots of different inspiration about those. And let's see. Oh, I also did want to mention that I put the Lessons from the Manger devotion digitally too. So this is another option if you are living outside of the United States or Puerto Rico and want to go through a Creative Faith Christmas devotion. Be sure to pick up the printable. It has, I think it's like over 26 pages in it, so you can print it like a booklet, or it has the devotions in like a vertical box so that you could glue it into your own journal or notebook. And it comes with the artwork as well. So that is another option. I'll link the Lessons from the Manger digital printable in the description box below. So that is the Creative Faith Christmas Collection 2020. I have been working so hard on just praying and asking God, okay, Lord, what do you want from us this Christmas? What do you want from us this December? It is going to be so different from any other year. But I think what God wants most of all is to us to slow down and spend time with Him and really savor, like, why do we celebrate Christmas? Why do we celebrate this season? It's being excited and full of joy, hope, and love and peace that Jesus came to save us from our sins. And so I'm really proud of how it all came out, and I hope you guys will join us I do have limited quantities of everything in my Etsy shop. So if you see something that you want, be sure to grab it ASAP. And I wanted to make sure to launch everything early enough so it gives me time to ship it and send it to you, and for you to set up and prepare and gather supplies for this Christmas season. So again, be sure you head to my Etsy shop to pick up one of these or multiple of them to join us for this Christmas. And if you're watching and things are sold out in my Etsy shop, remember you can get them individually on Amazon, and then some of them you can get digitally in my Etsy shop too. So thank you guys for watching. I will have a playlist linked in the description box below that walks through kind of all of the different pieces of the collection and all the different videos that I mentioned with the unboxings and flip throughs and things like that. So you can kind of pick and choose what you want to learn more about. And anyways, get excited, and I hope you guys are preparing yourselves to have a merry, creative faith Christmas. So be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and the bell notification. I don't want you guys to miss out on any of the awesome videos I have coming as we prepare our hearts for Christmas. And be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for supporting Creative Faith, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!